Good day, Philippines. Good day, everyone. And thank you to all my subscribers and those who are watching right now. Our topic for today is Thai gold. Here's the Thai gold. Thai gold is known for its 23 carats of 96.5% gold purity, which is considered a very high carat. When you hear 23 carats or 96.5% gold, it is usually refers to gold from Thailand. As this level of purity is very unique and well known there. Very nice Thai gold. And then I will show you my ring. The weight of this ring is 1 salong or 3.8 grams. I'll buy this way back 2018. The price of this is 13,000 pesos, approximately 7,000 baht. If you convert in US dollar, that is around 250 US dollar on that time. But now year 2026, the price of this ring, my estimate is around 35,000 pesos. It's very big difference. 8 years ago, from 13,000 pesos to 35,000 pesos, really fast to high. That is a value of gold. Very good and practical investment. Let me try to wear this. Look at this. Very nice. That is the 96.5% purity of gold. What about I love Thai gold is the color yellowish, very shiny and very attractive design. The uniqueness is so nice. So if you have a money and you want to invest in gold, I highly recommend the Thai gold, especially the gold bar. When it comes to investment, gold bar is the best than jewelry because gold bar is much lower on labor cost compared to the jewelry. This ring is very nice, very elegant and very beautiful. Let's try to keep. Now let me show you something special. This is my mother's bracelet. It's made of 23 carats Thai gold. Very nice. Look at this. 7.6 grams. 2 salong or half baht in gold weight. Thai gold weight. Let me try to wear. Very nice. My sister bought it in Thailand as a birthday gift for my mom. She was incredibly happy when she received it because she truly loves Thai gold. Just like me, we are without a doubt real Thai gold lovers. The design is unique and the craftsmanship is very detailed. When the sunlight hits it, it shines brilliantly and looks even more attractive. It's truly a stunning piece. Very nice. There's my collection. What about I love Thai gold is the color yellowish, very shiny and very attractive. The design, the uniqueness is so nice. So if you have a money and you want to invest in gold, I highly recommend the Thai Gold, especially the gold bar. I love to invest in gold because it's a good investment compared to the time deposit in your bank. The money is very slow to grow, but in gold, it's very fast to high. My sister bought this in Yawarat Road, Thailand. You can find a many gold shop. In Yawarat Road with over 100 plus branch of gold shop. Can you imagine with the length of 1.5 kilometers with 100 plus branch of gold shop? That's too many. Really nice. Nice piece. This one the ring. Can you see? I would like to shout out my friend Mr. Jedralvin Lopez from Auckland, New Zealand. He is one of my subscriber and he also loves Thai Gold. Just like me, Thai Gold lover. And that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Please can I have a favor for those who are not my subscriber? Can you please subscribe to my channel? Thank you so much and have a good day.